Hello, I'm Abdallah and you are watching Coding with Abdallah channel. In this video I will teach you how you can apply dark and light mode in your website. In this video I'm not focusing about styling or about structure or the page. I'm just focusing about the principle of applying dark and light mode. Okay, so after this video you will be able to use this principle in order to apply dark and light mode in any website that you are working on. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, before we start, we need to specify our steps, the steps that we will take in order to achieve this principle. First of all, we need, of course, an HTML structure, right? I will add just a simple HTML elements like paragraph, h1, and of course we have the body, and that's it. Okay, then we will style it. After we style these simple elements, we will work on JavaScript, just few codes in JavaScript in order to apply this principle. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you need to add a simple HTML structure. I can even make it larger. Okay, here I will add it like dark, light mode. Okay, we will have h1 like anything like dark, light mode, and we have a paragraph, 15 for example. I think it's enough. If we refresh the page, yeah, fair enough. Okay, I just wanna add an icon here. This icon, I will use it in order to switch between dark mode and light mode. I will add here just this icon. Let's go to this website in order to bring the icon. Okay, yeah, click this icon, this website box icons usage, and you can scroll down until you find this link. Take it, add it here in your head tag, and here you just use this class px sum, for example. Let's see. If we refresh our page, yeah, here it is. I will change its place from here to here, and I will increase its size a little bit. Let's do it. Let's first link our style.css file, and here I will choose the I will say that I need font size 1.9 rem, and yeah, position absolute. It will be relative to its parent, which is the body. So top 1 rem and right like 2 rem. Let's see. Yeah, it's perfect. When I hover it, I wanna hand sign appears, so we can do this using cursor pointer, cursor to pointer. Okay. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Now, when I click this button, or this icon, I want to switch between dark mode and light mode. Okay. So here I will specify a color for the icon. which is black, color black, and the text, I need the color of text to be I just want to use more than one color. Okay, let's choose this color, and each one I will apply this color to it. Okay, any color. Okay, black. Let's see. Okay, now the idea is I need to choose, or I want to apply different colors. when I click this button. How can we do this? First of all, we need to change the way that we add color to elements. Now we add color to elements in a direct way, but in order to change colors we need to reference these colors into a variable. Okay, so let's do it. I will add a variable like p color, and I will take this blue violet color here. I will remove it from here for now. Same with h1, h color, it's black, and same for icon, right? You can of course name it as you want. Color of icon is also black, right? Okay, and also the body color. Okay, so the body color is white by default. Okay, now I will substitute these values with the variable names. Okay, so here I will add var. It's a paragraph, so it's p color, and here var h color, and here var I color. So I added variable and I substituted the color values with these variables. Why? Because the idea is I want to apply different styles when I click this button, so I need to specify I want to add different colors to these variables, and I will substitute the values of these new colors when I click this button. So let's do it. I will add dark mode class. Okay, I will copy this and add it here. Let's change it to be like white. H color, let's make it green. I color, let's make it white. P color, let's make it black. Okay, so now I wanna add this class to body tag when I click this button, or when I click this icon. Again, the idea is adding this class to body tag when we click this icon. How can we do this? First of all, let's try it. If I take this class and added it inside the body, it's dark mode, again yeah, I didn't specify body color, body background for deep color. Let's see, yeah. So when we added this class to the body, the dark mode applied, right? And if I remove this class from body, we will back again to the light mode, right? But I need to add, I need to make this work like automatically, okay? So in order to do this, we need to add some JavaScript code. So I will add the JavaScript tag. First of all, I need to hold this element. Why? Because this element is the element which is responsible for moving or changing from dark mode to light mode. So I will hold it first. I will make a const. I will add a class btn for it. Document query selector dot btn, of course, because it's a class name. Now we have this this icon, okay? So I wanna add an event, you know, when I click this icon, the dark mode applied, or I will add this class to the body. We can do this in a simple way, just like this. I will say btn dot add event listener, click, and function. Of course, we can use another function, but it's okay. When I click this button, I wanna add a class to the body, but toggle, okay, dark mode, this class, okay. So let's click here. Yeah, it's working. But we have a problem here. If I refresh the page, even now I am on dark mode, but if I refresh the page, the dark mode disappeared. Why? Because I didn't save these changes. If I want to save these changes, I need to use a local storage present inside the browser. If we click here, go to inspect, use application, here in local storage. Actually, I was working here. Okay, let's refresh the page. Yeah. So I wanna add a property here, which, as you can see, any item added here inside this local storage has a key and a value. Okay, so how can we do this? First of all, I wanna say when you toggle is adding and removing. Okay, so when you click it first time, you add the class. When you click it, you click the same item. The second time, you remove it. Again, you add it. Again, you remove it. So I wanna check if the body has this class. If the body has dark mode class, I want to store something inside the local storage. We can do this by a simple if statement. So if document dot body dot class list dot contains, in order to check if it contains this class, which is dark mode, we wanna add something to local storage. Local storage set item. As you can see, items inside local storage consists of key and value, and both of them are string. So I will add two strings here. The first is the key, which is color, and the value will be dark mode. Oops. Okay. So when we click the icon, or when the user click the icon, this line of code will toggle between adding and removing this class to the body, and then it will check if the body has dark mode. It means if we added this class, it will add it to the local storage also, so it will not delete it. So if we refresh here right now, there is nothing inside the local storage, right? What happened? 1 minute. Yeah, if we refreshed right now, nothing inside local storage. Why? Because the body doesn't contain this class. If we click here, the body has this class, so this item added. But if I refreshed, it's still present. Why? So we need also to check. We need to check if it is not on dark mode, I wanna remove it. So here I'm saying if class dark mode added to body, add this item to local storage, else remove it, right? In order to solve this problem, else local storage dot remove item, and here it will take only the key. Okay, color. Let's check. So here, if I click, you have it here. Click again, it's not present, but we didn't solve anything with this, right? So the next step is I want to check if the local storage has color key inside it. I want to add this I want you to be in dark mode. Okay, so let's do it. So here, when the page that uploaded in first time, I want you check. Okay, let's first bring the local storage dot get item, which is color. So I want to check if the local storage has color attribute inside it. I want you do something else. I want you do another thing. So we can do this by if statement. So if else, it means if this is true, or if ls has a color key inside it, what I want you to do is add this class, add dark mode class, not toggling, adding. Okay, so let's check. Okay, now it's here. If I refresh, it's working right now, as you can see. Why? Because when the page loaded, it went here and it checked the local storage and found that it contains a color key. So because it contains a color key, it added this class, which is dark mode class, inside the body and applied dark mode style. I hope you got it, guys, and thanks for watching. Bye.